These are tomato cages, and if most of you, those of you that have followed my channel, know that I use tomato cages a lot, specifically with when I'm planting tomatoes. Well, this will no longer be the case as it relates to vining tomatoes. I'll show you what I mean. Here I have a piece of 1x3 8-foot long pressure treated board. It's clamped to my planter, and shortly I will be screwing it in with two 3-inch deck screws. On this side, this is the left side, I have another piece of 1x3 8-foot long pressure treated board clamped to my planter, and I will be screwing it in with 3-inch deck screws. Boards on the side and a 6-foot piece of 2x4 on the top. All the wood is pressure treated. It has two galvanized brackets connecting the two up at the top, and I screwed in some hooks to hold the trellising when it's hanging up. I'm going to have three tomato plants at any given time of the vining type. Took me about 40 minutes to put everything together, and I'm pretty proud of myself. Relatively simple to do and cheap, because this time last year wood was rather expensive. I have three types of plants that are tomato plants that are currently growing. I'm going to attempt to have a late season or second season of tomatoes. I will have the Brandywine, the Florida 91, and the Floridade type of tomatoes, and you can see that they're here now. These are real hardy, especially the Florida 91. They're supposed to be bred